Namaskar students, Tania Didi here. So we have understood the concept of a types of fraction. Then we have done one question on bar graph because we have understood the concept of a bar graph. And in my last video we have understood the concept of a double bar graph. It is time for one questions from double bar graph. So here the question is, the performance of a student in first and second term is given. Draw a double bar graph choosing appropriate scale and answer the following. So here that marks are there in 5 different subjects: English, Hindi, Math, Science, Social Science. So in the first term he or she has got 67, and the second term same candidate has got 70 marks. Next, in the first term in Hindi he has got 72 and second term 65. Maths 88, second term 95. Science in the first term 81 and in the second term he has got 85. In the social science, in the first term he has got 73 and in the second term he has got 75. That means you have to draw a double bar graph. So, and after that 3 questions are there: in which subject has the child improved his performance the most, in which subject the performance is least, and has the maximum gone down in any subject. So like this 3 questions are there, but before that you have to draw double bar graph, and you know how to draw bar graph. Before that you have to choose a scale, you have to see the x-axis, you have to draw the x-axis, y-axis both, right? So this is a double bar graph, and here first we have drawn x-axis and y-axis. Okay, and you see in the y-axis 10 small box I have taken 1 unit, that means 5 marks. Then again 10 small box, it will be 10 marks. Again 10 small box, it will be 15 marks. So difference is 5, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, now you see in the question in the English in the first term, okay, before that first term means blank box, red box but blank box, and the second term means that shaded box. Okay, so in the English you see in the first term he or she has got 67. So obviously 65. Okay, before that you see 10 small box equal to 5. That means one line or one box equal to what will be there in the bar graph. I have told you. So as 10 box equal to 5, that means you divide 10 by 5. It will be 5 2s are 10. That means 2 small box equal to 1 unit. Understood? 2 small box equal to 1 unit. You know the concept because in the class 6 also you have done the bar graph. Okay, so in the as 0 to 5 10 boxes are there, so the 10 divided by 5, it will be 2. 5 2s are 10. That means 2 small boxes is equal to 1. Again 2 small boxes equal to 4. Again 2 small boxes equal to 6, like this. So as first one is 67, that means after 60 2 small box equal to 62. Again 61. Again 2 small boxes equal to 62, like this. 67 means as here 65 is there. After 65 2 small box, it will be 66. Again 2 smalls, it will be 67. That means after 65 4 small box, if we will reach 4 small box, it will be 67. Understood? Next, in the second term, in the English subject only, she has got 70. So 78 is there only. So double bar graph means it will be combination of 2 graphs. So that's why it is together. First one is the first term, it is blank, and second term is it is shaded. Understood? English. Next one is Hindi. Hindi, you see First one is 72. First term. After 70, if you will reach 2 boxes, it will be 71. Again 2 boxes, it will be 72. That means after 70, if you will reach 4 boxes, it will be 72. And in the second term, in Hindi only, 65 has gotten 65. It is there ready-made. So you mark it. Understood? So this is the bar graph of Hindi. Now maths. Maths, you see, in the first term she has got 88. 88 means what? After 85, 2 box, that means 86. Again 2 box, 87. Again 2 box, 88. That means after 85, 6 small boxes, it will be 88. Got it? Now in the maths only, second term he has got 95. 95 ready-made, it is there. So you write 95. Understood? Like same science and social science also. So important, what you have to do. So it is important is, first you have to y-axis its marks, and the x-axis it is subject. Subject is here, 5 subjects are there: English, Hindi, maths, science and social science. You have to write up. Term 1 means blank box, term 2 means shaded box. You can write term 1 anything. So that y-axis it is marks and the x-axis subject. And most important is you have to choose the scale. So as here 10 boxes equal to 5, that's why 10 small boxes equal to 5 marks and 2 small boxes equal to 1 mark. Understood the concept? Very good. Okay, now you see in the question it is written that in which subject has the child improved his performance. If we will see the bar graph, double bar graph, here you see in the maths subject is improved most, because in the term 1 maths was you see in the term 1 the maths was 88 and the second term maths was 95. You see the difference. So from the first term and to the second term, so difference are more, right? So that means what we can say. So by observing the double bar graph, there was a maximum marks increase in math subject. So the child improved in math subject. Understood? Next question, in which subject improved was least. If I will observe the double bar graph, you see here which one is the least subject. Can you say the least subject? Yes, that is social science, right? You see the difference. So from the first term to the second term, social science increase very less, right? As you see, maths increase more from the first and second term, but social science increase very less, because social science first one is 73, second one is 75, so very less difference. So that means in which subject improve is less, that means social science improve less. Next one is, has the performance gone down in any subject? Yes, you see second one is Hindi, because in the first term that in Hindi he has got 72, but in the second term it is decreased, it is reduced, it is 65. So that means in the question is, has the performance gone down in any subject? Yes, that means it is a Hindi subject. So question number 1 was in which subject has the child improved his performance the most? That means it is maths. Second one is, in which subject is the improvement the least? That means social science. And in which subject, or has the performance gone down in any subject? Yes, by observing the data we can say the double bar graph, the performance in Hindi has gone down. So understood? So you know now, you have understood how you can draw a double bar graph, right? Okay, so similar questions are there in exercise 3.3. Please try to understand the concept and do it. Okay, after this you can submit to me. Okay, thank you.